Hey everyone! Welcome back to Lula Talk. Today we're diving into the world of Jupyter Notebooks, a fantastic tool for data science and programming. Let's get started with the installation process. What is Jupyter Notebook? First things first, what is Jupyter Notebook? It's an open-source web application that allows you to create and share documents that contain live code, equations, visualizations, and narrative text. It's especially popular in data analysis, machine learning, and academic research. Prerequisites. Before we install Jupyter, you need to have Python installed on your computer. If you haven't done this yet, I recommend downloading Anaconda, which comes with Python and many useful libraries pre-installed. Now that Jupyter Notebook is installed, let's launch it. Open your terminal or command prompt and type Jupyter Notebook. This command opens a new tab in your web browser with the Jupyter interface. Here you can create new notebooks, open existing ones, and manage your files. To create a new notebook, click on New and select Python 3. This opens a fresh notebook where you can start coding. Let's write a simple code snippet. Type print, hello, Lula Talk, and hit Shift plus Enter to run the cell. You'll see the output below. Jupyter Notebooks offer various features like Markdown support for notes, data visualization, and easy integration with libraries like Matplotlib and Pandas. Let's add some text. Change the cell type to Markdown, write a brief description, and hit Shift plus Enter to render it. To save your notebook, click on File and then Save and Checkpoint. You can also export your notebook in formats like HTML or PDF for sharing. This makes it easy to distribute your work with others, and that's it. You've successfully installed and created your first Jupyter Notebook.